In today's video, I'm going to teach you sample companies in QuickBooks Online, how to practice bookkeeping on simulated books. If you want a safe way to explore QuickBooks without affecting any real business data, the test drive feature is a great option. It gives you access to a sample company environment where you can click around, review workflows, and practice using common bookkeeping tools. This is especially helpful if you're learning QuickBooks for the first time, testing features before using them on a real account, or simply wanting more confidence with the platform. To get started, open your web browser and search for QuickBooks Test Drive. Keep your search simple so it's easy to find the right result. From the search results, click the first official link for the Intuit QuickBooks Help article. You want to make sure you're opening the official support page, since that's where Intuit provides the correct and current access links for the sample environments. Once you're on that help page, you'll see that they provide test drive links for QuickBooks Online and also for QuickBooks Online Advanced. This is useful because it lets you practice inside different versions of the software, depending on what you want to learn. If you're focused on standard bookkeeping tasks, the regular QuickBooks Online sample company is usually a great place to begin. If you want to explore more advanced tools, you can use the Online Advanced option. Next, click the link for the version you want to open. You may be asked to confirm before entering the test drive environment. Go ahead and confirm, and after that, you'll be taken directly into the sample company. Once it opens, you'll be inside a simulated QuickBooks environment where you can test features and practice with the tools just like you would in a real account. This is a great place to get familiar with navigation, review transactions, and understand how the system is laid out, all without worrying about making mistakes in a live company file. One helpful thing to remember is that this is a practice environment, so it's designed for learning. That means you can explore freely, try different actions, and build confidence as you go. It's a simple but effective way to get hands-on experience with QuickBooks using sample books. And that's it. That's how you open a QuickBooks test drive and start practicing bookkeeping on a simulated company.